Dispatch said he was having trouble breathing even before he went up in the air. Wait, did you guys hear that? Stethoscope? What do we got?
Yeah, I got him. He's in there. He's in there.
Okay,
Keep going. I see him.
He doesn't look good.
You got him? Yeah. Okay. Get the bear out. Get the bear out, guys. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Slide him up.
He's cold, Cap.
All right, get some blankets on him.
I don't have a pulse.
Starting compressions.
What you doing, Eddie?
Still nothing.
Buck switch.
All right, switching.
Come on out, Chip.
Both a pulse check. Still nothing. I got a pulse. Temp's rising.
Welcome back, Brandon. Not dead. You're not dead.